Hello, folks. If you're looking to elevate your online business effortlessly, look no further than AI Entrepreneur Fortune. Now, this revolutionary AI-powered toolkit is designed to transform your business with ease. Imagine having a complete suite of tools at your fingertips that simplifies your marketing efforts and keeps your social media buzzing all year round. With AI Entrepreneur Fortune, you can turn your free ChatGPT account into a powerful business growth engine. Say goodbye to burnout and hello to efficiency. Now, why should you buy this product? Well, AI Entrepreneur Fortune is your ticket to standing out in a crowded market. With its AI-driven solutions, you can automate tedious tasks, create engaging content, and maintain a vibrant online presence without the hassle. For just $27, and that's a steal from the usual $97, you gain access to tools that will help you generate leads, improve your SEO, and craft compelling outreach emails. This is not just an investment in a product, it's an investment in your business's future success. Now, the creators of AI Entrepreneur Fortune are industry experts with a proven track record in digital marketing and AI technology. They are committed to providing innovative solutions that empower entrepreneurs to thrive in the online space. Their dedication to customer satisfaction is evident through their ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring you can purchase with confidence. Now, there are a lot of positives and negatives with AI Entrepreneur Fortune, so here are the positives. It's a comprehensive toolkit, and it includes everything from social media posts to SEO articles, making it adaptable for any niche. It's a time-saving automated system, so automated repetitive tasks allowing you to focus on growth and creativity. It has ready-made content, 365 done-for-you social media posts keep your audience engaged effortlessly. It's user-friendly. No complicated setup required. Just a few clicks and you're ready to go. And you get a commercial license, so you can offer these valuable services to clients and expand your business opportunities. Now, there are a couple of negatives, the initial learning curve being one of them. While the toolkit is user-friendly, some users may need a little time to familiarize themselves with all the features. However, this is a small price to pay for the immense value and efficiency it brings to your business. There may be an overdependence on AI. So relying on AI tools may feel daunting for some, but once you experience the benefits, you will wonder how you ever managed without them. Now, here's your free bonus. When you purchase AI Entrepreneur Fortune through this link, you will receive an exclusive free bonus report that complements your toolkit perfectly. Now, this bonus is not available anywhere else and will enhance your experience with this product, giving you even more tools to succeed. So in conclusion, in a world where every entrepreneur is vying for attention, AI Entrepreneur Fortune equips you with the tools you need to rise above the crowd. With its powerful AI solutions, You can streamline your business processes, engage your audience, and ultimately drive growth. So don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your online presence and boost your business success. So take action now and buy it. Click on that link below. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.